Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing some work on the 48. Maybe take it for that test drive I promised you guys, and see what else we can get done, because we're getting closer and closer to that day that it's going to be registered and driving it down the highway. Hey guys, don't forget to make every day count. And let's get to work. Cold start. Well, we've run into another roadblock. The 48 has now said it's not going to be driven anymore. When I got back from the last ride, I almost didn't stop. Found out the rear brake line broke, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off right now and see what we can do. See where we can find another one. I've been in touch with the parts store. They want to see it to make sure it's the right one. So we're going to get that pulled off and get back on the brakes again. Well guys, the day is over, and the brake line is definitely shot. We had to order one we'll be getting that in hopefully tomorrow, the next day, and we'll get back on the 48 as soon as possible. We'll have to re-bleed all the brakes, but letting them lay doesn't help matters. As I was talking to one of the parts guys, they were telling me that the old brake fluid kind of used to eat the rubber lines. Well, hey, it happens. We're going to move forward, get it done, get it driving, but at least we got you that ride I promised you. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, have a great day, and keep making it count every day.